In this video, you're going to learn step by step how to make $5,000 a month at least by Christmas. Think of the world's biggest companies: Amazon, Walmart, Costco, Whole Foods, which of course Amazon owns Whole Foods. Think of what they do to scale their own brands. They private label those brands. I'm Brandon Belcher. I'm the founder of PLRHustle.com. PLR Hustle is the place where people go to private label digital products. Now, while Amazon and Walmart and Costco and all of them, they're private labeling physical products, if you're online, you can easily private label digital products, add your brand name, and sell it to your audience or via ads or however you want to sell it. You can do that by going to PLRHustle.com, choosing a product. There's hundreds of products to choose from. Like I said, you download it, you add your brand name, and then you resell it. It's that simple. That's exactly what the world's biggest companies do, but only with physical products. If you check out Kirkland Signature at Costco, that's a private label brand. Sam's Club, that's Walmart's private label brand. Whole Foods got it. Amazon got Amazon Basics. These are private label brands because they understand one thing. The most important thing with business and scaling up is profits. When you don't waste time, it enables you to focus on profits. How would you waste time online? I'll tell you how. Spend all kinds of time writing your own ebook. Put money in the bank first, then you can buy some time. But if you don't have any money in the bank, it's not a smart thing to do to waste time. Even when companies like Amazon make billions with their private label brand, they still don't say, okay, we made $3 billion in profits. Now let's do this ourselves. Let's do this in-house. No. They're still going to have other people create the products. They're going to put their name on it and they're going to sell it to you. That's how it works. So private labeling is extremely powerful. That's exactly why I launched PLR Hustle, because I noticed that so many people were having problems not knowing how to write ebooks, not knowing how to create courses, not knowing how to do any of this stuff, but they wanted to leave their job. Now, you can leave your job by Christmas if you follow this strategy right here. All you have to do is do exactly what the biggest companies in the world do. The strategies that they use is literally second to none, and they use this kind of strategy every single day to scale their company over and over and over again. So watch to the end of this video if you want to learn how to exit your 9-to-5 job by Christmas and push your income literally at least to $5,000 a month. So I'm going to keep this video stupid simple. This is not going to be some long drawn out video that's going to give you a bunch of fluff or anything like that. If you watch my stuff, you know there's no fluff in my videos. I just get straight to the point, and that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. So if you're somebody that's looking to make anywhere from, let's say, $2,500 a month to $5,000 a month, you need two things. You need a product to sell, and you need some quality traffic. As far as product to sell, why would you create 10 different products just to see what's going to work and what's not going to work? Well, if you write 10 different ebooks, or let's say create 10 different courses, it could literally take you 6 months to 10 months to actually do that if you want to put out some quality materials, versus doing what Amazon and Walmart and all of those guys do. Just private label a brand or private label some products, stick your name on it, then start selling it like hotcakes. That's exactly what PLR Hustle is all about. So the first thing you want to do is go to PLRHustle.com, and you want to find some products that you want to private label. Now, just because I'm the founder and the owner of PLR Hustle, I'm not telling you to go on here and buy 30 different ebooks. You don't have to do that to hit $5,000 a month. I always like to say that every ebook that you private label can make you anywhere from $10,000 to even $20,000 a year. So if you got, let's say you got 3 ebooks, you can make anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 a year easy just with 3 ebooks. You know, a lot of people think you need 30, 40 ebooks to make that kind of money. You don't, because as long as you got valuable information that's targeted, you're good to go. So the first thing you want to do is choose a niche and go to PLR Hustle and private label an ebook. There's all types of ebooks on here. Let's say if I go to a weight loss ebook, dieting and losing weight. If somebody wants to learn how to lose weight, check this out. If you are the one to give them this ebook, if you give them the valuable information that's inside of this ebook, you only paying $12. So guess what? You pay $12 for the ebook, and you know what you do? You head over to a place like Google AdWords, like I'm about to show you in just a second, to run some display ads. Before I show you the Google AdWords platform and show you how display ads work, let me show you how they look first. So let me go over here to MyFitnessPal. So imagine you selling a PLR ebook, like a weight loss ebook, and your ad displaying on a site like MyFitnessPal. Well, that's possible whenever you're running Google display ads. If you look at this ad right here on the side, if I click on it, bam, it takes me to a completely different website. You want to know why? This is an advertiser that's running ads on MyFitnessPal and other related sites. So imagine thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of people, depending on how much you're willing to pay, of course, being exposed to your ebook by being on related sites like this, MyFitnessPal. Just this, being on this one site alone can make you $5,000, $10,000, or even $15,000 a month. Just MyFitnessPal.com, this one site alone can put you to that income. Why? Because they have millions of visitors every single month. So to make money, it doesn't matter if we're talking about myself or somebody like Bill Gates. You need something to sell and you need an audience. If you got something to sell, a PLR ebook that's targeted, you go after a targeted audience, that will equal traffic and conversions. It's really that simple. You don't want to overcomplicate things and think you need 50 ebooks. You don't want to overcomplicate things and think you need 100,000 followers on Instagram. You need something to sell and you need quality traffic. Quality targeted traffic. Those are the two things that you need. So once again, on MyFitnessPal right here, here go an advertiser. If I go on down, here goes an advertiser. Let's see who this is. A completely different advertiser. Of course, they're going to be different people. Of course, you're just not going to be the only one advertising on these targeted websites. There's going to be other people included as well. But the bottom line is, at least your product will be included. Okay, so that's how Google Display Ads work. So let me go ahead and go to a different product over here on PLR Hustle. So one of the premium ebooks. This is a premium ebook, so it's going to cost you a little bit more. This is NFT Revolution. This is one of our top selling ebooks. This is a $199 ebook, but guess what? You can resell it for $99 a pop. So that means 2 sales, you break even. Anything after that, you're making $99 for every person that purchased this. Okay, so let's go to this site right here, cryptoslate.com. I'm sure if you know anything about cryptocurrency, you probably know about cryptoslate.com. I'm pretty sure, yeah, cryptoslate.com. So let's go, let's check out cryptoslate.com. If I scroll down, what do you see right here? Already a Google ad. So there was an advertiser that targeted sites like cryptoslate.com and other related sites so they can push quality targeted traffic. And guess what? Could you imagine selling NFT Revolution over here on a site like cryptoslate.com? They have a ton of visitors. Let's go ahead and see how many visitors they got. Let's go to simrush.com real quick. Let's check out the domain overview. Let's just see how much traffic cryptoslate.com is getting. Organic traffic, look at this. 341,000 organic visitors a month is what they get. And that's just organically. They might run paid stuff as well. There goes your $5,000 a month right there. It's that simple. That's your $5,000 a month right there. Just seeing all of the traffic that they get. So an NFT ebook on a targeted website, like if I click me and you right here, they're all about DeFi, NFTs, Web3, trading. They're all about this stuff. I mean, just think about it. If you got targeted traffic plus a targeted product, that equals money. So now you see how it looks. A lot of times people overcomplicate this, like I said. They think that they need all of these social media followers and all of that, which that is a way to make money. If you don't want to run paid ads, you can build a big audience on Instagram or TikTok and make a lot of money as well. But if you just want to get right to the money, right to spending, let's say, $800 a month and making back $5,000, so you making that profit, or spending $1,000 a month and making back $6,000 and keeping that $5,000 a month profit. If you want to get to that, of course, that takes some testing, but you can get to that as long as you got a quality product and quality traffic. As you can see, people are already advertising on these sites anyway, so you can be one of those people. So now that you know how it looks on these websites, and you know that the world's biggest companies do this as well, you already know, you see it right here live on these sites, that it's already working. People are not going to spend hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars a year on display ads if it's not working. Whenever I'm on YouTube, I see HostGator, like $1 billion company. I see Wix.com advertising. They know it's working for them, so they continue to do it. They target who they want to target, and you can do the same thing. So let's go over here to Google Display Ads. Whenever I'm already logged into my Google Ads account, whenever I click on display ads, like you can do search ads, you can do smart ads or whatever you want, but I'm only focused on display for this video, and I'm not going to go deep because I'm going to actually create a real deep masterclass on mastering Google ads overall, and that's going to be, of course, on my upcoming website. I'm going to create a masterclass and launch it on the new site, but I'm just going to show you how this works. See topics right here. Suggest web pages, apps, videos, and about a certain topic. Keywords, you can suggest terms, demographics, you can choose all of this. So if you want to say, okay, I want people that look like people that visit cryptoslate.com or weightwatchers.com or coinbase.com, Google Display Ads will deliver those people. Google will literally hand those people on a silver platter for you. You want to know why? Because you're paying them, and that's why they're a $1 trillion company right now, because people like you and I are buying ads from Google, and they are giving us exactly what we need: quality traffic. So I just wanted to make this video real quick to show you guys that you only need two things to really make money, serious money. That's quality products and quality traffic. If you're somebody that's been on the fence and that kind of doubts yourself, and you don't think it's possible to make money online or get out of a job that you hate, it is possible. You just got to say, okay, I'm not going to hesitate and go to a site like plrhustle.com and private label a product. All the world's biggest companies are already doing it. It's proven. Go to the stores yourself if you like and look at their brands. I'm not going to waste 6 weeks writing an ebook right now, at least. Like you can do that later on, but get the money in your bank account first. I'm not going to waste 6 weeks to 3 months to create an ebook or a course. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a quality private label product. I'm going to get quality traffic, and I'm going to start churning out money. If you have that mindset, or if after you watch this video you gain that mindset, it's almost guaranteed that you're going to be the person to start running Google Display Ads, testing Google Display Ads, and you're going to be the person to end up quitting your job. It's possible. I've literally built 6-figure businesses in under 30 days. I've got to that point making $5,000 a month in under 60 days. And this is even before I became the guy that I am today. So it's very possible. You just got to go ahead and get in the game, do what the $1 billion companies are doing, and sooner or later it's going to work out for you. You keep on going, it's going to work out for you. And right now, I just gave you the blueprint to the 2 things that you need to hit that level of income on or before Christmas Day. So if you like videos like this, understand that I'm going to be putting out a lot of them. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so right now, because once again, I'm going to be dropping a lot of value. Go ahead and also text systems, the keyword systems, to 888-331-0047 to add yourself to my list, because what I'm going to do is, that's a mobile list that is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to launch a website here soon. And on this website, you're going to be able to learn how to master different systems to help you not only exit your job, but to multiply your income beyond this world. You're going to also be able to access done for you systems. So that will be myself. That will be me handing you a system on a platter and giving you the blueprint with an already done for you type system. So I just got a lot of stuff coming, so understand that if you haven't subscribed yet, you may want to go ahead and do that. Comment below and let me know what you thought about this video, and I will catch you very soon in my next video.